Warning from God. I'm sure you guys have seen this clip by now. It's going insanely viral right now. So apparently these two were having an affair. Now, I'm not here to bash them. I'm not here to gossip. But as soon as I saw all this happening, God reminded me of a verse in the Bible that everybody needs to know. The time is coming when everything that is covered up will be revealed, and all that is secret will be made known to all. One day we're all gonna have to stand before God, and everything we did in the dark will come to light. And let's be real, we all got some junk we've done. We all got some stuff that if it popped up on a screen in front of everybody, we'd be cooked. So don't wait to get caught. Come clean before the King, because what you confess, Jesus will cover. But what you try to cover, Jesus will uncover. The devil loves when you try to hide your sin. He doesn't want you to confess it. He wants you to protect it and keep it stashed away where no one can see it. He wants you to think it's not that big of a deal. You'll get to it later. But the truth is, sin grows in the dark. Freedom starts in the light. Even if you think nobody saw you sin, God saw you sin. And God wants to tell you this: I have seen what they do, but I will heal them anyway. Notice he didn't say, I have seen what they do, and I'm done with them. Nah, because God knows the very worst about you. Yet he's the one who loves you the very most. You've given him millions of reasons not to love you, and none of them have ever changed his mind. The point is, don't wait to get caught. Choose to come clean now. Stop hiding your dirty laundry from the only one who can make it white as snow. Because your secret won't stay a secret for forever. But if you bring it to Jesus today, he's not gonna expose it. He's gonna erase it. Can I get an A? Man.